Mass. Noun. A large quantity, a sum. Mass. Verb. To form or collect into a mass, to form into a collective body, to bring together into masses, to assemble. Mass. Verb. To have a certain mass. I mass 70 kilograms. Mass. Adjective. Involving a mass of things, concerning a large quantity or number. There is evidence of mass extinctions in the distant past. Mass. Adjective. Involving a mass of people, for, or by the masses. Mass unemployment resulted from the financial collapse. Mass. Noun. A musical setting of parts of the mass. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.